Hi everyone, my name's Rob and welcome back for another video. I am at Paradise Falls in northeast Victoria, not far out from Cheshunt, I believe it's called, the smallest town closest by, and about 90 minutes from Mansfield. So all in all, it's 4 to 5 hours from Melbourne. It's a decent drive, but stopping along the way and making a good trip out of it over a couple of days will get you here and be very enjoyable. Anyway, I'm going to put together a few clips. I've already filmed a lot of the clips for another video, so I'll mash them all together and just show you what you can expect when you come to Paradise Falls in northeast Victoria. Now, let me tell you, it's a great spot. I've had a really fun time here, and I hope you guys do enjoy the video as well. I have a lot of videos based around Victoria because this is my home state, so please consider having a look at the other videos and possibly subscribing. But anyway, let's get into the video and go see Paradise Falls. Okay everyone, we're coming up to what I've been wanting to see for a long time, but we're just at a little viewing platform right now. We have to go a little bit off the beaten track to get to exactly where I want to go. Now, sorry about the sunlight there. We've got some streams of water or creeks flowing over the top of this cliff face, and I want to go to where the water's dropping down. So I'm going to head up this path. I'm not sure how off the beaten track it is or how dangerous it is, but we're going to head down and just follow it around and see if we end up down at the bottom of that stream. Oh my god, look how awesome this is. This is really cool. And we have the streams coming over the cliff edge there, and this lovely area here, and there's no one, absolutely no one here. It's one of those places that's maybe too far away for people, but hey, it's 35 degrees, 90 plus Fahrenheit, and look, I'm going to see if I can get under that. I 100% need to cool off after that. Alright, let's go down. Okay guys, let's give this a go. I need to really cool off. And I know this is going to be cold. You know what? That was exactly what I needed after that walk down, and it's not coming over too quick, so you can actually go under it. I've seen it online, roaring over like waterfalls I've been to in the past, and then just trickling down like nothing. So it's the perfect time to come right now. It's the hot season, but we've had a decent amount of rain at the same time, so It balances out perfectly. Alright, let's get a first person view of what it looks like. It's pretty good under here. And I have it all to myself. Oh my god. Apologies for the audio quality, everyone. You know, just being around water, it seems to overpower the mic, so I do apologize for that. But how good is this spot? Big thumbs up from me, especially on a hot summer's day. Look at these huge rock faces behind me, where the water just comes down into this little pool down here, and I couldn't be happier. I'm actually really enjoying this spot, so I'm glad I came here. The water's coming down at a perfect pace. I could actually go under it. I'm having a good time so far. Okay, I'm just going to walk down to the other stream that's coming over the top of the cliff now. There are 2 or 3 of them, so this second one looks pretty good. It's not too hard to get down, so that's a big plus. You don't have to wreck yourself or almost worry about falling. So this is the second, well, talk about falling. This is the second stream, and it is very similar to the first. Well, talk about falling. Oh, and that's pretty good. Okay everyone, so that was Paradise Falls. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I had a great day staying here, you know, coming and checking out this location. I came on a 35-degree day, and believe me, going under those falls was perfect. Couldn't have asked for a better day to do it. And that's probably the time to do it in summer. Come down here in summer is probably the perfect time, because in winter, that water coming over the top would be freezing. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Please consider giving me a like. Please give us a comment. Let us know if you've been here before, if you plan on coming here after seeing this, or whatever it may be, recommendations for other waterfalls. And please consider subscribing. You know, it always helps when I go out on these adventures, know how many people are enjoying the videos, coming along, just enjoying the ride with me. So please consider subscribing. But anyway guys, until next time, stay safe, camp safe, I'm out.